Hey everyone, how's it going today? cryptoFOXXY here. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel. So hopefully you guys are all having a great Saturday. We're going to talk about Bitcoin in this video. Is Bitcoin basically breaking Rektember's bearish trend? We know historically September has not been the greatest for crypto, and this is kind of is very, very odd. So we're going to talk about that in this video. Make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's jump into it here. So Bitcoin's ETF rebound. So analysts are seeing institutional interest, and this could break September's bearish trend. So spot Bitcoin ETFs or exchange traded funds broke out in a 2-week outflow streak with over $403 million in weekly inflows. The uptick is institutional interest, and this could help Bitcoin defy the bearish September narrative that we all hear about. Spot Bitcoin ETFs ranked in 263 million on September the 13th, which was the largest single-day inflow since July 22. Fidelity's 5-day inflow streak broke 102 million, ARK Invest and 21 shares 99 million, Bitwise 43 million, and so on and so on. Unusually, BlackRock and a few others had zero inflows, which is strange. But yeah, we can see here, this is a chart. This is a Bitcoin chart. We're sitting just under 60K. We're sitting at 59.9 rate at this point. Recording of this video. So this time, could this time be different? Well, we have been seeing a few different trends develop over this cycle. It's very, very strange. Bitcoin's kind of making its own path, so to speak. So we're not quite sure exactly how this September is going to end, but we did see all-time high before the halving, which is unusual. There's a number of things that obviously would have contributed to that. I think Bitcoin ETFs were definitely one of them, taking out some of the volatility that we're normally used to seeing in Bitcoin. I mean, we still have those swings, but the stability that we've seen at the floor prices is definitely something different. So is this time different? Well, we're not really sure. Nobody really has a crystal ball when it comes to investing or cryptocurrency or anything really financial, so to speak. All you can do is do your own research and do your due diligence and be comfortable with your investment. But historically, September has been a negative month for Bitcoin. CoinGlass data shows an average monthly loss of about 4.69% over the last 11 years. There is an analyst named Sony who he says rising institutional interest is driven by the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs this cycle, and this could help turn things around. I kind of agree with this, and I said that back when ETFs were approved, that I thought that this could make things a lot different and a lot harder to read, right? Sony pointed out that BTC has been consolidating about 50K for over the past 6 months, and the last time it did that was in 2021. And we know what happened in 2021. Let's actually go have a look at 2021. So this is the Bitcoin chart on the day. We can see this back here. This was 2021. This was the first move up in April, where we saw basically the highs there, and then we went down into the summer, as the summers always suck, as I like to say in crypto, and then we rebounded back up in November to the all-time high. There is about 68, 69K. So we are over here now. So this is us already up over all-time high from back there. We did hit that back in March, and we're just kind of in this channel here right now. So we're just kind of waiting to see what happens with that. But the market was driven back then by retail investors a lot. It was, retail investors are like you and I, right? Institutional are more like, companies and businesses and big people with big money, right? And retail investors tend to be emotional traders. We see the chart go down. We don't have as much money as some of these large whales, and you get scared that you're going to lose your money and maybe sell or something, right? And that happens a lot, especially with retail investors, because it is a bit of emotional, right? When you're dealing with your own funds, and you might not have necessarily a whole lot to begin with. So it is an issue there. And the presence of institutional investors now could provide a more stable foundation. I've been saying that since the ETFs were approved. I just think I think it's going to be different now. And, it very well could be. And institutional interest appears to have spilled in Bitcoin mining stocks as well. There's a number of different things going on there. We've got AI coming into play, those types of things. Bullish price targets from industry leaders are coming in as well. We heard one very, very recently, I believe it was today or yesterday, from Michael Vanderpope, suggesting Bitcoin could go as high as 300 to 600K this market cycle. Could it? Absolutely, it could, but it'll have to depend on a lot of factors, such as basically, economic. Now, the economic factors are going to come into play. Whether we have, any more increasing tensions in the world in terms of, wars and conflicts and things like that, and also, recession fears, and we also need, interest rates to come down so that people are more comfortable investing again in riskier markets such as crypto. So that's pretty much what I got for you guys in this video. Just want to give you a quick update on what's going on this September. It could be a bit different than we're used to. Obviously, things have been going a lot better than we were anticipating. However, September's not over yet. We still have, the FOMC meeting for the US is next week, and it's on Wednesday. So we're going to be watching that very, very closely. So expect some volatility this coming week, and hopefully you guys will have a great rest of your day. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.